Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Durga Prasad Vidya Vision. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe it. In this video lesson, we are going to study about Class 7th English, Unit 1, Reading A, the Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. This is the part 1. Here in this picture, you can see the town mouse as well as the country mouse. Before going to study the lesson, let's see the pictures given at the beginning of the lesson. See here, one side it is the picture of countryside, and another side there is the picture of a town or a city. Here the two pictures are about a village and a town. The village is calm and quiet. People and cattle are seen here and there. Greenery everywhere. On the other hand, the town is noisy with lots of vehicles moving on the roads. Life is peaceful in a village because it has a calm and quiet and pollution free atmosphere. Yes, animals are also like to live in a peaceful atmosphere. Here is a oral discourse, and the topic is town life and country life. There is a contrast between town life and country life. Both the town life and the country life have their advantages and disadvantages. A village has no good roads, making transport difficult, no electricity, no proper intellectual atmosphere, and no recreational facilities. That means entertainment, cinema halls, and some other entertainments. Generally, good doctors and teachers avoid villages on account of hard life. The shops cannot always supply all the needs of modern life, so people have to run to nearby town. But the village life has its bright side also. It is free from most of the evils of the town life. Life Life in a village is quiet and peaceful. It is rich in natural beauty. Vast fields smile with green crops, rivers flow gently, flowers give fragrant smell, birds sing merrily, that means happily. Living in a village is cheap. Vegetables and fruits are fresh, milk is pure, and air is fresh. The people of a village are bound together by a tie of love and affection. Here villagers, they have developed love and affection and cooperation among them. They help each other at the time of their need, and they help one another in their distress. That means at the time of their need, when they face any problem. Towns, on the other hand, provide you with all you want. There are good roads, electricity, good schools and colleges, good hospitals and clinics, and good stores to meet all your wants. For recreation, you have clubs, libraries, cinemas, and museums of different kinds. But town life has its disadvantages too. The air is full of smoke and soot, and the food is mostly adulterated, means not good at all, which is polluted. Its streets are always noisy. Living is always costlier. The cost of living is very high in the towns. Here, fresh vegetables, fruits, and milk are hardly available. Vegetables fruits and milk are hardly available, and this is why some people have raised the cry back to village. That means they want to go back to the village, and they prefer to live in village. A large number of people migrate from villages to towns for treatment, education, and employment. The need of the hour is to provide necessary facilities in the villages, so so that the people can live in the in there peacefully. Now coming to the main text, reading A, the town mouse and the country mouse. And the town mouse and the country mouse, they are the cousins, and they often write letters to each other. One day the country mouse got this letter from his cousin the town mouse. You see the letter here given, and it is written from kitchen cupboard, mouse town, and the date is 11th March 2012. It is written that, dear cousin, I have been ill with cough, and my doctor feels I need a holiday, and he has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? And please give me an early reply. With warm regards, yours affectionately, Town Mouse. And the two address here is to Country Mouse, the Mouse Hole, and Mouse Country. Okay, when the country mouse received this letter, receiving the invitation from, and he had already he gave a reply to his cousin town mouse in the town, and invited him to the countryside. And receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed bags and caught the next train. And caught the next train means he made the journey by the next train to the countryside. The day was very bright, sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train, and he is not in the habit of going without air conditioned coach. So as he was going to countryside, he has to go in a carriage or in a compartment which has no air conditioned facility. I wish that now he is thinking here, I wish there was an air conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here, because he is always in the habit of going by air conditioned coach, but now as he was going to countryside, there is no availability of that air conditioned coach, so that's why he is feeling very uncomfortable here. Okay, however, there was nothing he could do, and he had to tolerate all these things. And he grumbled to himself. Grumbling means saying in a angry voice to himself. Some sort of irritation was there, and himself while the train chugged. That means started its journey slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station, and when he saw his cousin is coming, "Oh, cousin," the town mouse said as soon as he got off from the train. And the train was dreadful. It is very uh, difficult for him to continue his journey. I feel terribly hot and thirsty, and there was no provision of any air conditioned coach here, and it was very hot. And I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink. I think you have arranged any cold drinks from for me at home, and for that answer, for that question, and that country mouse said, well, I can't provide anything else, cold drinks are not there. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look for some coconut water if you want, if you like. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. That means he was very scary and very irritated also. And don't you have any orange juice or lemonade to offer me? And then the country mouse said, I am afraid I can't give you, replied his cousin. But I found very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane, and I am sure you will enjoy it. Okay, so the country mouse said that I have arranged a nice root and as well as very tender. Tender means soft sugar cane for you, and you can enjoy it. And next, root, said the town mouse. Sugar cane, the town mouse exclaimed. That means he became very surprised, fearful. But I don't have in the habit of eating raw food, and I always prefer cooked food, he said. And the customer said that we are in the habit of eating it. Please try it. You will enjoy it. Okay, uh, try it. It's not bad as you think. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all because he is not in the habit of eating raw food, and he nibbled. Nibbled means bite with teeth. He nibbled, but he didn't eat more, and that sugar cane. Then the country mouse said he wanted. The town mouse said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse sewed a corner in his mouse hole to take rest, and there you are. You can sleep there. Okay, we'll stop here, and basing upon these passages, we have some question answers here. Passage question answers. Question number one: what is the relationship between the town mouse and the country mouse? Answer: they are cousins. Why did the town mouse want to go to the countryside? Answer: as the town mouse was ill and he was suffering from cough, and the doctor advised him to spend a week in the countryside, he wanted to go to the countryside. Question number three: what was the drink offered by the country mouse to his cousin? Water and coconut water. Question number four: what was the dinner offered by the country mouse? A piece of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. Question number five: did the town mouse enjoy his dinner? Answer: no, he didn't enjoy because he's in the habit of eating cooked food, not the raw food, because he was not in the habit of eating the raw food. Okay, and that's all in this video lesson. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. And we'll meet in the next video lesson. Thank you. Thank you very much.